7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. How's everybody doing? Chris here, and I am looking forward to sharing this little mini falsetita that I created just for you, because you are just an awesome flamenco guitar player, and I know that you're going to get some good use out of this. I played this Bulerias falsetita at 176 beats per minute. Okay, so this is part of an arpeggio development, okay? So we are going to be going with our... I couldn't decide which to address first. The arpeggio, since it's arpeggio development, is primarily the ring middle index descending in pitch. It's ascending in altitude. It's going towards the ceiling. A-M-I. And now, I made this specifically just for you to really work on our accuracy, because we're going to be on the internal four, what I call the internal four strings. So we have that high E string. We got to be careful. We don't want to hit that. And we have the low E string. We don't want to hit that either. Okay? So we're going to be working that. Hopefully you have the music in front of you. All this is pretty straightforward. We have the C dominant 7 shape here. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. So we're going to be working on your bar chords. It's bonus bar chord work. All right? So we have that. And then we go to the B flat. Bar chord, we just bring it on down, okay? And then we're actually going to make it from a B flat dominant 7 to a B minor 7. Oh, so jazzy and pretty. And then that A, and then we're going to actually hammer on, okay? Or pull off. It's a hammer on, okay? And then now all of a sudden we switch. We switch our from the internal 4 to now all of a sudden our 3 fingers go on the top 3, top and pitch, okay? So let me play this for you slowly at 100 beats per minute, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Lovely. All right. So we have this shape that we're doing, but we're going here. I pick that second string with my third finger, my ring finger, and I slide it up. And then I go here. The next thing is that hopefully you heard that we're doing an anticipation. This is really, really prevalent in flamenco, that we anticipate the downbeat. And so you have to hold it, and you have to wait technically to continue that smooth. We're doing 8th notes, but we're doing this in a triplet pattern, 3-note pattern, but it's 8 notes. So we go 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, 3 and 4. That's not right. I can't count it and play it, okay? So just listen for that. We're going to go faster. But before that, so you got that. We have to wait, yeah? And then we're going to do the same thing. We're not going to do the same thing there. And then we switch. So here we go. So I'm playing from index, hammer on. And then we go back, middle, index, ring. And now I go up, down. And I like to add a golpe. I think that's just really nice there, okay, to add that golpe. So now we're going to play it faster. 120, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is a very fast chain. You have to do that a very, very fast change. So practice that. Just make sure you can get that change in isolation, then put it back and practice everything else, okay? So much in this just little mini falsetita. So now let's play it at 152. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There you have it. This is a beautiful little falsetta. I really like it. I think that could lead into a lot of really nice stuff to continue after that, but it's a handful in and of itself. Hey, pun actually intended there. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy the work. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.